In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Instacart account. To get started, open the Instacart app on your phone or go to the Instacart website in your browser, then sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before you continue, especially if you have more than one email or device connected to Instacart. Once you're signed in, head over to Account Settings or look for a section labeled Your Account. The exact wording can vary a little depending on whether you're using the mobile app or the website. So take your time and look through the menu carefully. From there, look for an option called Privacy or Manage Account, if it appears. This is usually where account ownership, personal data, and account control settings are located. If you don't see it right away, it may be nested inside another settings page. When you find it, select Delete Account. Before moving forward, Instacart may show you information explaining what happens when your account is deleted. Read this part carefully so you understand the impact. In many cases, deleting an account is permanent and you may lose access to order history, saved addresses, payment preferences, and other account-related data. After reviewing the information, continue with the deletion process. You may be asked to confirm your identity before Instacart lets you proceed. For example, the platform might send a verification code or ask you to enter your password. This is a normal security step designed to make sure only the account owner can submit the request. Once your identity is confirmed, select Delete Account again and confirm the request. Be sure to complete the final confirmation screen because stopping partway through may leave the request unfinished. After that, wait for a confirmation message on screen or a confirmation email stating that your account deletion request has been received. Keep that message for your records in case you need to follow up later. If you don't see a delete account option anywhere in your settings, the next step is to contact Instacart customer support and request permanent account deletion directly. When you contact support, clearly explain that you want the account permanently deleted, not just signed out or deactivated. And that's it. That's how to delete your Instacart account. If you're following along, just move carefully through each screen, read the prompts closely, and make sure you receive confirmation before you're done.